Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We got a great Asking Ninja from Peter near Reno, Nevada, who actually lives in Roseville, Nevada. Had a question about spray foaming his subfloor, and should he just apply it directly over the mold, or should he remove the mold first? Stay tuned. Okay, so if you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to basement waterproofing, crawl space encapsulation, mold, humidity, indoor air quality, things like that. So we hope you'll subscribe to our channel and ring that notifications bell. All right, Peter in Reno, Nevada, actually Roseville, Nevada. One of the things that you had asked me about is it necessary to remove mold prior? I guess you're thinking about spray foaming your subfloor. Obviously, you want to air seal, better insulate your home, all that sort of thing. Should you be concerned about the mold that is on the subfloor? And one of the things that a lot of people don't realize is that spray foaming mold could be a really, really serious problem because the spray foam doesn't kill the mold. Another problem is that if the wood is wet, you're also going to lock that moisture in to the subfloor, which could create an even worse problem with wood rot fungus, rotting out your subfloors and your joists and different things like that. I'm not a huge fan of spray foaming the subfloor anyway. We use it for air sealing major penetrations and things like that, but we prefer to insulate the perimeter of the crawl space wall simply because it keeps the thermal barrier or the break at the wall. And then if the wall insulation gets wet, the kind of foam board we use isn't a big deal. If for some reason you do like you do in this picture here, where you spray foam the subfloor, you can see the mold, different things like that all over this wood. I don't know if there's any mold behind the spray foam or not, but what if this is near a toilet or a plumbing leak or something like that? What do you think that spray foam is going to do with any kind of leak from above in the future? It's only going to trap it. And regular fiberglass or rock wool insulation could do the same thing. It's just the difference is you can remove that subfloor insulation. So if you're dead set on insulating your subfloor, I would spray foam the major penetrations in the subfloor and then put some form of removable insulation in the event that you had some kind of water leak. One other thing I want to caution you about: doing any kind of treatment with a waterproofing paint. As you can see in this video here, this was a major problem that we got called out to. We actually proposed the work to be done on this crawl space. The homeowner went with somebody else, and then they went ahead and spray foam Kilz all over the subfloor. It did not kill the mold. Kilz is not designed to do that. The moisture, as you can see in this video, we still got high moisture content. The wood is still rotting, okay, based on all of this. There's two things that we come across that is almost irreversible. One is spray foaming the subfloor. Two is applying some kind of paint on the subfloor if the wood wasn't already dried out and mold removed. So anyway, Peter, I don't recommend it. You can do it if you want to. There's a lot of contractors out there that do it, but it's a great question. Hope that helps you out. My name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day. I hope you like this video down below. We'll see you later.